Good morning to my respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Zainab Imran from class 8B stands before you to speak on the topic of say no to plastic. It is rightly said that if you can't reuse it, refuse it. The use of plastic in any form is harmful to health. Abolishing plastic from our daily life is very difficult as it is used widely in every aspect of our life. Reducing the plastic from our daily life means removing the toxicities, cancer, hormonal imbalance and whatnot. We can get rid of plastic by using stainless steel glasses or copper bottles instead of plastic bottles and glasses. We should use paper bags or clothes bags instead of plastic bags. Now I request you to avoid plastic bags. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
मॉर्निंग टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट, आज मैं आपके समक्ष प्लास्टिक के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। मैं आपको प्लास्टिक के लाभ और हानि बताना चाहता हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको प्लास्टिक के लाभ बताता हूँ। प्लास्टिक के बहुत लाभ है। आज के युग में हर जगह प्लास्टिक की उपयोग में लाई जाती है, जैसे किसी तरह पदार्थ को रखने के लिए गैस को थैली में, कैन में रख सकते हैं और निम्न तरह के फायदे हैं। अब मैं आपको प्लास्टिक के हानि बताता हूँ। प्लास्टिक पर्यावरण के लिए बहुत हानिकारक है। सिर्फ पर्यावरण के लिए नहीं बल्कि मनुष्य और जीव जंतुओं के लिए भी बहुत हानिकारक है। प्लास्टिक जलाने से जहरीली गैस उत्पन्न होती है जो मनुष्य और पर्यावरण के लिए हानिकारक है और प्लास्टिक नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल थिंग है। हमें प्लास्टिक का उपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Hello friends, if you want to see the earth fantastic, say no to plastic because plastic is a very hygienic material. Plastic bags cause the damage to the earth. Do not use plastic bags, plastic bottles and plastic containers also. Use hydro flask, jute bag, paper bag, steel bottles and glass bottle, glass container and steel containers. Give up the use of plastic. Eating plastic, animal dead. Seeing plastic, nature cried. And so say to no plastic.
My name is Yashwadan Sharma. I read in class 8A in Canterbury Model Public School. My topic is no use plastic bag. The use of plastic in any quantity or form is harmful to health. Banishing plastic from our daily lives to different activities used widely in every aspect of our lives. Reducing the use of plastic means it helps to removing the toxicities, cancer, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, and what not. One should avoid having or drink in styrofoam cups as chemicals reach when the hot drink is poured in it. Discard plastic bottles at home and switch to glass, clay, stainless steel or copper bottles. So please no use plastic bag for our environment. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नित्य कुमार है। मैं कक्षा 8 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आपके सामने एक टीप प्रस्तुत करने वाला हूँ। प्लास्टिक का यूज हमें कम से कम करना चाहिए। प्लास्टिक हमारे जीवन के लिए हानिकारक है। प्लास्टिक सड़ नहीं सकती।
Hello everyone, my name is Angel Sani. I am studying in class 8. Today's my topic is plastic bags. Plastic bags are one of the most common things we use in our daily life. Plastic, in it we carry fruits, vegetables, etc. Plastic bags causes land pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and it also causes the death of animals. So my friends, you don't use plastic bags
Good morning, ma'am. I am Anurag Saraswat from class 8th. Our topic is say no to plastic. If you want to make the earth fantastic, say no to plastic. Plastic bag causes harmful gases to the earth. We don't use plastic bags. We use jute bags and paper bags. Our second point is this: we don't use plastic bottles. In the bottles we use hydro flask glass bottles and steel bottles. And last but not least, give away from the plastic. Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to present a speech on say no to plastic bags. Plastic bags are become an integral part of everyone's life, and it is very handy to carry our stuff in plastic bags. But we all forget that every convenience comes with some or other drawbacks. Plastic bags have become a threat to our environment, and it gets also affecting the biodiversity of our planet. Plastic bags have become a serious threat to wild animals and aquatic species. Thousands of whales and turtles are killed by eating plastic bags mistakenly. No one to say plastic bags is the best way to stop these situations and save our environment. We will use jute bags and cotton bags while going to the market, so we will reduce the use of plastic bags. But it lies in the hands of people. No one complete say to no one to say plastic bags. So we will reduce the plastic bags and save our environment, ecosystem, and protect the biodiversity of our planet. Thank you.
My name is Ayush Kumar Mishra. I study in 7th grade. Plastic bags are commonly seen in the market. These bags are available in various sizes. Come handy while shopping. These are very light and inexpensive. This is the reason why these are being used extensively, unlike paper and cloth bags. The plastic bags are non-biodegradable. The use of plastic bags in the environment combine water and land pollution. This is the reason why more than countries ban the use of these bags. These countries replace the plastic bags with paper bags and reusable cloth bags. Thank you.